trainer from MindTech. Today we will show you how to scan the fingerprints. What you have to do is you have to click on this new button. You have to select a drive and make a folder where you have to scan your fingerprints. Click on OK. You have to fill up this form, entering all your data. Once you enter the data, you have to click on Save, and then you have to click on Fingerprint. Now to scan the fingerprint, you have to click on the left thumb shown here. It will show you a red color. Once it shows you a red color, you have to start the scanning. You have to put your L1, that is your left thumb, on the scanner in center, and you see the image, the center image of your thumb, and then you have to click on center. After that, you have to remove your thumb and lift it on the left side. You have to rotate it a little on the left side. And then you have to rotate it on the right side. Why do we do this? To make sure we see the delta and the core point clearly. So when I see the core and the delta clearly, I can click on the right side. Once the fingerprint is green, that means it's finished. Now you have to take the L1, that means your index left finger. You have to click first, and then you have to put it on the scanner, the center part first. You click center, then you rotate your finger a little, left side. Now this is a whole pattern, a spiral whole pattern. So in a spiral whole, there is one delta and there is two delta and one core point. So make sure you check the right delta and core point, and the left delta and the core point. So on the left side, you have to see whether you can see the delta and the core point properly. If you can check the image, you can see the delta and the core point. Once you see the delta on the left side with the core point, you have to click left. And then you pick up your finger and then you rotate it on the right side. Again, you have to check the right delta and the core point, and you have to click on right. Then the third finger. Again, it's a spiral whole pattern. Click on the center first, and then go to the left. What you have to find is the core point and the delta point here on the left side. And then on the right side, again the core and the delta point. This is again the spiral pattern, so you have to see the left and the right delta clearly with the core point. Make sure the core point and the delta point should be visible whenever you scan the fingerprints. If the core point and the delta is, or maybe the delta is missing or the core point is missing slight a bit, the fingerprints will be rejected or we cannot generate the report. So this is the ulnar pattern. In ulnar there is one core point and one delta point. I can see the core point in the center. You have to click center and then you rotate it on the left side. Click on the left. It's an ulnar pattern, so the delta and the core point will be seen on the right side. So once you rotate it on the right side here, I can see the delta and the core point. Once you see that, you have to click it on red and it's done. Now you have to, once all these fingerprints are green, you have to click on the right hand, the thumb again. It's same as follows. You have to click on the finger first, it becomes red, and then you have to scan the fingerprint, the center, left and right. Okay, now all the fingerprints are done. You have to close it, click close again, and then you have to check where it is being saved. You see here all the fingerprints will come. Thank you.